How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will simply show you how you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you would like to remove a single friend, what you would need to do was you have to go ahead and then open up Snapchat. And when you open up Snapchat, you would have to tap on your profile icon from the top left hand side, which is your Bitmoji profile. And then on this specific page, you would need to scroll down and then choose the option called My Friends. And then if you wanted to remove a specific friend, all you need to do is long press on that specific friend over here, and then you have to tap on the option called Manage Friendship. When you go to Manage Friendship, you'll find the option called Remove Friend. But if you're trying to talk about deleting multiple friends at once, then Snapchat currently does not offer you that feature. However, there is another thing that you can actually try to do. So if you're really desperate as to removing all of your friends, then what I would recommend you do is to simply go ahead and then try to delete your account in the process. But that is simply trying to sacrifice your account for the sake of deleting your friends. Currently, Snapchat does not offer this feature, but hopefully somewhere in the future they will make sure to go ahead and then bring this feature to most of its users as well. But basically that is the answer to your video, because Snapchat currently does not offer such a feature to delete all of your Snapchat friends at once. I wouldn't really recommend you to connect with yourself with your third-party plugins and services that promises you to give you this feature, because it is going to only risk your account of getting banned. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.